Hey everyone, it's me Guni and you're watching your Learning for Life. It's the ESL number 2 today and I'm going to tell you what is ESL for those who are new to the channel. ESL is English speaking lessons. We have started a full course of this and it will have around 30 videos, 30 lessons. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. Let's get started. So in today's lesson, we will look at medical terms. So why it is necessary to learn medical terms and what are medical terms? Medical terms are the scientific terms used by the doctors while the treatment of a person. And why we need to learn medical terms is that sometimes we are not able to illustrate our problems to the doctors. So for that we can use these medical terms and that would be far much better for us to just illustrate our problem. So let's get started. Number one is diagnose, and diagnose means to examine. So examine. Diagnose is examine. When someone takes his blood sample, he diagnoses it. He examines that blood sample and then give you your results. Let's now move on to the number two, which is immune. Immune is something which prevents diseases. So immune prevents diseases. So we have heard this word immunity many times in the COVID times that you are having less immunity, I'm having high immunity, it increases the immunity. So immunity is the amount of immune. So immune is basically something that prevents diseases and immunity is the amount of immune which prevents diseases in you. So prone. Prone is something that having less immune. Problem with less immune. So it means he is not able to prevent diseases. Let's take an example that yesterday I called my friend and I was asking him, was he well? But he told me that he was suffering from Crohn. And I was like, oh my god. He replied that it's nothing. That's that I was having less immune and that's why I got the diseases. So Crohn is something that person having less immune. Number four is specimen. Specimen is the sample taken for diagnosis. Sample taken for diagnosis. So many of you have given a blood test, given a sample for blood test. Don't call it a sample, call it a specimen. So I have given specimen for diagnosis today, a blood specimen. Don't say blood sample. Okay, let's move on to the number fifth, which is benign. Benign is something not harmful. A disease which is not harmful. So I was having a talk with my friend and he told me that he was suffering from dryness in eyes. So I was like, oh my gosh. And he was like, don't worry, it's benign. So it's not harmful, just the eye drops will cure it. So we can't call cancer as benign because cancer is harmful. Cancer is not benign. Don't use the word benign for harmful diseases. Let's move on to the number 6, which is prenatal. Pre means, so let's just take a look at the word, and then we will just make the meaning of it. So let's write it over here. Pre and natal. So pre means before, and natal means giving birth. So prenatal means before giving birth to someone. So it's the meaning of prenatal that before giving birth. Let's look at post. Post here is pre, before, post, after. Natal means giving birth. So after giving birth and before giving birth. Let's move on to the number 8, which is acute. So don't call it as acute. Let's look at this word acute and acute. It has double C. Acute is the acute angle which we know, and this means small, very less. That acute means extreme. So when someone say it's acute means extreme pain. So acute is extreme pain and acute is less pain. Number 9 is incision. Incision is a cut in your skin. Cut in the skin. It sometimes happens that we don't look carefully. It doesn't feel much when it is done. But after it pains really hard over here. It acute. There is some acute here. So when you look at, there's a cut on your skin. So it can be any part of your body, any part of your skin. So cut in the skin is known as incision. Number 10 is anesthesia. Anesthesia is the liquid which just gives temporary loss of sensation. So anesthesia is a liquid causing temporary loss of sensation. Then we are going to look at number 11, which is amnesia. Amnesia is someone having partial loss of memory. When a person has forgotten half of his memory, lost half of his memory, is known as that disease is known as amnesia. So partial loss of memory is amnesia. Now, number 12 is dehydration. Dehydration means less water. Less water in body is known as dehydration. Number 13 is cast. Cast is plaster. When someone got a fracture in their arm or any other part of the body, they have to go with it from a preparation or plaster. So they have to apply a plaster. And the last one, very common, is ache. Ache. So let me explain this. It is ACHE. And some people call it ache, ache. So it's not like that. It's ache. It is silent ache. So ache is today, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, just hit the like button if you learned something new. Click share this video with your friends so that they can also be fluent in English, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.